Hello and welcome to Lean Excel Solutions. In this tutorial, we will learn to create this sales distribution dashboard in Microsoft Excel from scratch. In the earlier video, we have created the same dashboard in Power BI. If you wish to watch it, the link is provided in the description. Also, at the end of this video, or you can click here. Now, using the same database, we will design it in the Microsoft Excel. We will do it in the following steps. First, we will have an overview of this dashboard. Second, an overview of data sheets. Third, prepare the database. Fourth, insert pivot tables. Fifth, add dashboard background. And the last, create visuals and format. You can directly go to any steps by clicking on the chapters provided in the description. So let's start with the first step. These are the two slices to drill down the data. One for the months, and second for the region. This indicates total sales. This is for monthly target versus actual sales. The yellow highlighted bar indicated that the target achieved for the month. And the other indicates target not achieved. Here we can see weekly sales trend. This indicated top 3 customers as per sales value. And this indicated top 10 products. Here we can see the region-wise percentage of sale. And the last one visualizes the country-wise sales with color. Let's have an overview of input data sheets. The first sheet is input data, where we need to update the sales detail. Like, date of selling, customer name, product name, unit price of the product, and quantity sold. Second sheet is target sheet, where we need to update monthly sales target. Third sheet is customer, which has name of the customer, country and region. These all are in the table format. Now for data preparation, let's go back to input data sheet and add few columns. First, actual column, that is total sales. It is multiplication of unit price and quantity. Next, country and region column, which we will look up from the customer sheet. And at last, add a month and week column with reference to date column. Let's add one sheet for analysis. Go to Input Data Table. Insert tab, click on Pivot Table, select the location in Analysis Sheet, and click OK. Add Actual to Value field. First, let's copy this pivot table and paste it 6 times to use it for different visuals. Now add row field for each pivot. Remove grant total. Now, let's add one more sheet for dashboard. For dashboard background, let's go to PowerPoint. These are the backgrounds I used in earlier tutorials for sales dashboard. These for the Excel and this for the Power BI dashboard. And this one we will use here. For detail, you can watch the tutorial of sales dashboard in Excel, where I have demonstrated these two backgrounds. These are the shapes and text boxes added and formatted. This is the icon and this is the logo image. This one is created using merge shape. Let me show you quickly how it is created. Alright, select all, copy, go back to Excel sheet, and paste it. We will add the slices later. First let's add the total sales. We will use text box for it, but it cannot be linked within pivot table directly. So let's add it into another cell, and this cell we can link with the text box. For monthly graph, let's prepare database in target sheet. Add actual column. Look up values from analysis sheet. Let's add two columns for below target and above target. Calculate them with reference to target and actual columns. If actual is less than target, then actual, else NA. Copy the formula, paste it here, and replace less than sign with greater than or equal to. Now, let's select this range and insert bar chart. Change target to line chart, and format the chart. Cut it, paste in the dashboard sheet, and format it. For the bar colors, let's use the gradient fill. Now, let's add area chart for the weekly sales trend. In Analysis Sheet, click inside the weekly pivot table, insert area chart and format it. For the top 3 customers, go to the Customer Pivot table. Right-click and sort it as largest to smallest. Under the Customer Name filter, click on the Value filter and select Top 10. Enter 3 here and click OK. Now, for customers also, we will use text boxes, so duplicate this range too. Let's go back to Dashboard sheet and add it accordingly. Let's copy it 5 times and organize it. Change the cell link in formula bar. Format it. Now, for the top 10 product also, let's repeat the same process. Click inside the product pivot, insert bar chart and format it. For region-wise sales, add donut chart. Now, let's add the map for country-wise sales. But, as you can see here, we cannot insert map directly with the pivot table. So, let's create the separate range for it, using offset function. Since I am using Office 365, I can create this dynamic range here. But if you are using older version of Excel, it will not work like this. In that case, you can use equal to sign and create the range, like we did it for customer here. Let's add the map using this range. Let's add the slices now. Go to Analysis Sheet, click inside any pivot table, click on Slicer, and select the month and region to add the slices. For the month slicer, increase number of columns to 4. There is no option here to format the slicer color, font, or background. Either we have to choose one of these standard slicer format, or we can create customized one by duplicating any of these. So let's duplicate this and format as suitable to our dashboard background. So, this is the one we added. Let's select it. Okay, let's modify this further. All right, looks good. As you can see, on selecting slices, only the total sales is changing, and not other visuals. To link it with others, click on the report connections. But we cannot recognize that the pivot is against the visuals, and we don't want to link both slices with all visuals. So, let's rename the pivot tables first. Now, let's select the slicer connection with pivots. So our dashboard is ready now. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching.